Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, you will learn a unique way to transform columns into rows and rows into columns, streamlining your data manipulation and analysis tasks. Here in Microsoft 365 version, we have a small array, a range as an example. First, let us see how we can transform this array into a single row. In cell A8, type the formula as equals to TOROW, to row, and select the range of the array, comma. You can skip this to ignore all, or you have to type 0 to ignore anything, 1 to ignore blank values, 2 to ignore errors, and 3 to ignore blank values and errors. And then, comma, scan by column field. Use this to determine the order in which the array is scanned. The default is 0, which means scan by row. If the value is set to 1, Excel will scan by column. Okay, let's put it at 0 and close the parenthesis and press enter. If you are in the web version, or else press Ctrl plus Shift plus enter on the desktop version. You will see that the result is first row followed by the second row and so on in the single row. If you modify the scan by column value as 1, you will get the result as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, which means first column is followed by second column values and so on. Got it? Now let us see how we can transform this array into a single column. In cell A11, type the formula as equals to toCol. Open the parenthesis. Select the range of the array, comma. You can skip this again to ignore all, or else mention like I said earlier, comma, scan by column, type 0 to scan by row, and if the value is set to 1, Excel will scan by column. Type 0 and close the parenthesis and press enter if you are in the web version and Ctrl Shift enter on the desktop version. You will see that the result is first row followed by the second row and so on in the single column. If you modify the scan by column value as 1, you will get the result as first column followed by the second column values and so on. Got it? It's very nice, right? So by using these formulas, you can efficiently transform columns into rows and rows into columns, simplifying your data manipulation task. These formulas are valuable tools for enhancing your data processing and analysis capabilities. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more advanced Excel tutorials.